Hey guys, welcome back and welcome if you're new. It's Naomi Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I got these amazing results by only using RHASSOUL Clay, Bentonite Clay, and ARITHA Powder. So if you guys are interested, definitely stay tuned.
It's a cash race, it went last place. In my first name with the last name. Finny bag, ayy, Birkin bag, ayy.
So let's get right into it. First off, we're going to take half a cup of RHASSOUL Clay, and RHASSOUL Clay is awesome because it is a moisturizing and softening clay. And then we're gonna go in with half a cup of Bentonite Clay, and this clay actually helps to detoxify your hair, so it's also really great for a clay wash. After that, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of ARITHA powder, and ARITHA powder is gonna act like our shampoo, so this is going to help with the cleansing properties of this clay wash. And then we're gonna go in with half a cup of aloe vera juice. We're gonna add half a cup of water, and then go in with 10 drops of tea tree oil. And tea tree oil is awesome because it is antifungal, antibacterial, and it also helps to stimulate the scalp. Then we're gonna go in with another 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. It is also really great for scalp stimulation and hair growth. So we're gonna mix everything together, and then this is where you can add more water if you want to. You just really want to make sure it's the consistency that you want. So I'm also adding a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and I'm just adding this because I found my mixture was a bit clumpy for my liking. So this is absolutely optional. You guys don't have to add apple cider vinegar if you don't want to, but if you do, I would suggest adding it first before all of your other liquids, just so that it helps to reduce the clumping of the bentonite clay. So now this is my hair. It is really dirty. I think this is almost like 2 weeks of me not washing my hair. I was doing twist outs, braid outs, like all of that, just trying to stretch my hair, and it is very dirty. You guys can see all of that product build up on my scalp and on my hair. My hair is just dull, lifeless, super frizzy, super dry, so I really need this really good cleansing wash. And I'm just showing you guys again. You can see my hair has taken on a life of its own. It is huge, it is crazy, and yeah, I'm just so excited to do this clay wash and to get my hair back on track. So now I'm just rinsing my hair with some warm water to get rid of as much buildup as I can. So if you missed it, guys, I also made 2 separate videos on each of these clay masks as well, so I will link them in the description box below and also up above. And now I'm going in. I'm starting off by applying the clay wash to my scalp, and I'm doing this just so that I can give myself a really nice scalp massage. Like I said, I haven't washed my hair in like almost 2 weeks, so my scalp really needed the attention. So you really want to start off by just applying this all over on your scalp first, really working it in, massaging it in, trying to make sure that you get every little spot on your scalp, making sure you don't miss anything so that we can get rid of any product buildup and, you know, just give your scalp a nice cleanse. And I'm just really trying to work it in. You guys can see already that I am getting some clumping and definition back on my scalp where I have applied the clay wash, but this felt so nice, just giving myself that really nice massage. It was so good. Now I'm just going in and separating my hair further into 4 sections, and I'm just going to work in the smaller sections so that I don't miss any spots on my scalp. And then I'm also going to, you know, smooth it down the length of my hair and just apply it with my applicator bottle, and I'm just literally just smoothing it down. I'm not, you know, trying to cause any friction or anything like that. You don't have to scrub your hair, just smooth it down and it will do what it needs to do. So you're really just going to try and make sure that you get it all over that section of your hair. don't miss any spots. You can try and finger detangle as well. I did, and it was actually pretty easy with this wash. I think that the aloe vera really helps. So yeah, my camera was about to die there, so I just decided to do the rest of my hair off camera, and here I am again. My hair is all done. I have completely coated every single inch of my hair, and you guys can see how well it has already started to define my curls. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave that on for about 10 minutes. You guys can leave it on for even longer if you want, and you can add heat as well, but I didn't bother doing it this time. You can leave it on for like up to 30 minutes if you want to. Now I'm just going in and rinsing that out with some warm water. And I was so shocked to see how well defined my hair was just from, you know, keeping that in for 10 minutes. So I think next time I will definitely leave it on for longer. But yeah, so I'm just rinsing my hair, and I was so in love with how nice and defined and shiny, and you know, my curls were just really clumping so well. I was just so in love with how nicely this clay worked on my hair. So you guys can do this clay mask up to 2 times a month. So yeah, I am just continuing to rinse out all of that clay from my hair. And guys, can you see how amazing my hair is looking right now? It is so defined and it is just so shiny. It looks so moisturized. I am so in love with this clay mask. I love how easy it was to make, and it was also extremely easy to apply. It really helped with detangling my hair, and my hair has literally no frizz right now. It is so pretty. So this is after I'm done rinsing my hair. If you guys want, you can go over this with a really moisturizing conditioner, just to make sure that you have all of those little pieces of clay out of your hair, because I know sometimes it can be a bit difficult to get it all out with just water. But man, I am really loving how defined this clay mask left my hair. Like honestly, I am kind of shocked at how much better it works than just using either the bentonite clay or the RHASSOUL clay on its own. Mixing them together really makes such a huge difference, and then also adding in that ARITHA powder, oh my gosh, it just left my hair feeling so wonderful. So yeah, again, this is just how my hair is looking afterwards. If you guys enjoyed the video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have tried this clay mixture before, or if you want to. And yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
It's a gas race, it went last place. In my first